how to remove Goguardian on a school Chromebook. So the one that we're doing right now is actually a technique or a glitch. So you have to make sure that you follow along in every take of these process. So first things first is of course pull up your school Chromebook web browser, and we will be adding this specific bookmark as randomly. So click on the three dots right here, and then you can also just go ahead and on the star icon right here that says bookmark this tab. So we will have to name this as dry run or any name that you want. Now click on done. And once you click on done, just create a new tab and go to a random website. And once you're on a random website, you have to re-pull up or open up your bookmark that you have created. But this time you'll have to right click on it and click on edit. Now from edit, you'll have to change the URL on your preferred site or preferred URL that you want. So it actually does not matter. So any URL will do. Now once you have successfully changed the URL, just cancel it, go back to your main bookmark page and try to open up your specific bookmark that you created. So that's the actual uh, that's the actual glitch for you to be able to remove the Go Guardian on a school Chromebook.